today we are going to discuss some MCQs on the topic of flora and fauna of J&K. इसमें बेसिकली हम पहले PYQs देखेंगे जो वेरियस JKSSB एग्जाम्स में पूछे गए हैं और हम स्टार्ट करते हैं. As per the scheme of classification by Forest Survey of India, the forest land with canopy density less than 10% comes under which of the following categories? And the correct answer is scrub. अगर आप नोट्स भी बना रहे हैं, classification scheme for the purpose of forest cover assessment, I am going to briefly discuss here. Canopy density of 70% and above is known as very dense forest or VDF. All lands with tree canopy density of 40% and more but less than 70% is known as moderately dense forest. I am repeating again, very dense forest. All lands with tree canopy density of 70% and above. Moderately dense forest, all lands with tree canopy density between 40% and 70%. That means 40% and more. And open forest जो है वो all lands with tree canopy density of 10% and more but less than 40%. And ये question जो था वो scrub है उसका आंसर. Degraded forest lands with canopy density less than 10%. Another question is IUCN stands for, and the correct answer is option number B, International Union for Conservation of Nature. Another question is Ajus Conservation Reserve is in which of the following districts of Jammu and Kashmir? Ajus Conservation Reserve जम्मू कश्मीर की किस डिस्ट्रिक्ट में मौजूद है? And the correct answer is option B, Bandipora. The name of Dachigam literally stands for how many villages? And the correct answer is option number B, 10 villages. And the question number 5, in the hill and mountain region, people built divergent channels like the blank of the western Himalayas for agriculture. Hilly and mountainous regions में people divergent channels बनाते हैं, उनको क्या कहते हैं? Option A, Faludi, B, Johards, C, Khadins, and D, Kuls. And the correct answer is Kuls or Guls भी कहते हैं, KULS Kuls. Which of the following is least concerned species according to IUCN's Red Data Book found in Jammu and Kashmir? Option A, Cheer Peasant, B, Chiru, C, Golden Eagle, and D, Wild Yak. And the correct answer is Golden Eagle. Which of the following tree is not eco-friendly? Option A, Neem, option B, Babul, option C, Eucalyptus, and option D, all of these. And the correct answer is option C, Eucalyptus. Which of the following national parks in Jammu and Kashmir is famous for Hangul, also called Kashmiri stag, is located in Jammu in Srinagar? Option A, Kishtwar National Park, option B, Dachigam, option C, Hamiz National Park, and option D, Salim Ali National Park. And the correct answer is option B, Dachigam National Park. In which year Surinsar Mansar Lakes declared as a Ramsar site? Surinsar Mansar Lakes को Ramsar site डिक्लेयर कब किया गया? And the correct answer is option A, 2005. As per the Champion and Seat Classification of Forests, 1968, Pohru, Scrub, Dry Deodar Forest, Nusa Pine comes under which of the following forest type groups in Jammu and Kashmir? Option A, Tropical Dry Deciduous Forests, option B, Tropical Dried Forests, option C, Subtropical Pine Forests, option D, Himalayan Dry Temperate Forests. And the correct answer is Himalayan Dry Temperate Forests. Option D is the right. Another question, same here, these both are PYQ. As per the Champion and Seat Classification of Forests, Himalayan Subtropical Scrub comes under which of the following forest type groups in Jammu and Kashmir? Option A, Himalayan Dry Forest. Option B, Tropical Dry Deciduous Forests. Option C, Subtropical Pine Forests. And option D, Subtropical Evergreen Forests. And the correct answer is Subtropical Pine Forests. Option number C. Question number 12. Brown bear found in the region of Jammu and Kashmir is in blank status as per IUCN Red List of Threatened Species. Brown bear का status क्या है IUCN Red List में? Option A endangered, option B near threatened, option C vulnerable, option D least concern. And the correct answer is option D least concern. In which year was the Wildlife Protection Act enacted by the government of India? And the correct answer is option A 1972. Wildlife Protection Act 1972. ये याद रखना. In which year the Ovira Aru Wildlife Sanctuary in Jammu and Kashmir was established? And the correct answer is option A 1981. Rajparian Wildlife Sanctuary is also known as Baltal, B Ramnagar, C Jasrota, D Daksun. And the correct answer is D, option D, Daksun. Daksum Wildlife Sanctuary. Daksum Rajparian Wildlife Sanctuary is located in district of Jammu and Kashmir. Daksum यानी कि राजपरियन वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी किस डिस्ट्रिक्ट में लोकेटेड है? एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज अनंतनाग. When was Gulmarg declared as a wildlife sanctuary by Department of Wildlife Protection? And the correct answer is 1987. The wildlife sanctuary derives its name from the Nala that drains it, and it is situated about 100 kilometers from Srinagar. Its catchment of Jhelum Basin is located in the extreme southwest corner of Kashmir Valley. इसके फीचर्स हैं, लोकेशन है, झेलम बेसिन से इतना कैचमेंट है. ऑप्शन ए राजपरियन यानी कि दक्सुन, जो किस डिस्ट्रिक्ट में है? अनंतनाग. रामनगर वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी इज लोकेटेड एट जम्मू में. इज फाउंड इन द फॉरेस्ट ऑफ पीर पंजाल, लिदर, डोडा ऑफ जम्मू एंड कश्मीर. इनमें से कौन सा एनिमल है जो पाया जाता है फॉरेस्ट्स ऑफ पीर पंजाल में, लिदर में और डोडा रीजन में? Leopard is the correct answer. Highgaon Wetland Reserve is located in which district of Jammu and Kashmir? Highgaon Wetland Reserve किस डिस्ट्रिक्ट में है? बारामूला. Garana is a wetland reserve located in which district of Jammu and Kashmir? Jammu. Which of the following national park is famous for Markhor, Capra falconeri, मारखुर का जो साइंटिफिक नेम है कैप्रा फेल्कोनरी, और कभी कभी एग्जाम्स में पूछा भी जाता है, लाइक हांगुल का, लाइक लोटस का भी पूछा गया है, हांगुल का पूछा गया है. मेन ये आप याद रखना. एंड मारखुर का है कैप्रा फेल्कोनरी. स्टेट बोर्ड जो भी है उसका भी याद रखना. 23 क्वेश्चन का आंसर ऑप्शन डी, काजीनाग. Where is the Bahu Conservation Reserve located at? As the name suggests, Bahu Conservation Reserve Jammu में है. Where is the Aegis Conservation Reserve located? Aegis बांडीपुरा में है. Which among the following is a famous conservation reserve located in Pulwama district of Jammu and Kashmir? Khonmu. Option A is the right answer of the question number 26. What is the binomial name of Kashmiri musk deer? Musk deer का scientific name क्या है? ये वो binomial nomenclature क्या है, अभी हमने पढ़ा था मारखोर का. और कश्मीरी मस्क डियर का क्या नाम है? मॉस्कस क्यूप्रियस. ये एक बार देख लेना ताकि ऑप्शन एलिमिनेट में आपको कोई दिक्कत ना आए. होगीरा रामसर साइट इज लोकेटेड इन विच डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ जम्मू एंड कश्मीर? होगीरा रामसर साइट जम्मू कश्मीर के किस डिस्ट्रिक्ट में है? एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज श्रीनगर, ऑप्शन ए. Which of the following conservation reserves is located in Anantnag district of Jammu and Kashmir? Option A, Khiram is the correct answer. Conservation reserve. Which lake was designated as Ramsar wetland on 23 March 1990? Dal Lake, Wuller Lake, Mansball Lake, Hukera. And the correct answer is option B, Wuller Lake. Wuller Lake को 23 मार्च 1990 में रामसर वेटलैंड डिजिग्नेट किया गया था. This is one of India's most scenically beautiful wildlife reserve. It's located 22 kilometers from Srinagar and forms almost a half of Dal Lake's catchment area. Which of the following is this? Option A, Dachigam is the correct answer. Which wildlife sanctuary is bounded to the north by Gumsar Lake, east by Rupri, south by Saransar, and to the west by the Pir Panjal Pass, and is located in Shopian district of Jammu and Kashmir. इसमें ये थोड़ा टिपिकल बनाया गया है, लेकिन अगर आपको ये पता होगा कि शोपियान में क्या है, शोपियान में कौन सी वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी है, तो आपको ऑप्शन एलिमिनेट करने में बहुत आसानी होगी. एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी, हिरपुरा वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी. दिस वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी is located 76 kilometers from Srinagar near Pahalgam and has an area of 32.27 square kilometers. The sanctuary has acquired an outstanding position for its varied and magnificent species of pheasants. Which wildlife sanctuary here we are talking about? Near Pahalgam है, श्रीनगर से इतनी distance है. And the correct answer is Oviraru. Which of the following is located in Leh? रामनगर भी नहीं है, जसरोटा भी नहीं है, ओवेरा भी नहीं है, बचता क्या है? चंगथांग. ऑप्शन सी, चंगथांग वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी. Dachigam National Park is famous for 35 answer B. The entire area of this wildlife sanctuary is mainly dominated by bamboo plantation. Correct answer is Jasrota Wildlife Sanctuary, option D. Which of the following national parks is not located in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir? Kazinag National Park, B. Hemis National Park, C. Kishtwar National Park, D. Salim Ali National Park. काजीनाग भी है यही बारामूला में, किश्तवाड़ भी है, सलीम अली भी है, हेमिस नेशनल पार्क वो है यूटी ऑफ लद्दाख में. वर्ल्ड वाटर डे इज सेलिब्रेटेड ईच ईयर ऑन, ये याद रखना, वर्ल्ड वाटर डे, वर्ल्ड अर्थ डे. ओके. द origin of which of the following lakes in Jammu and Kashmir is associated with Mahabharata? Correct answer is option B, Surinsar Lake. Which of the following wildlife sanctuaries is located in Kathua district of Jammu and Kashmir? Kathua district में कौन सी wildlife sanctuary located है? Correct answer is जसरोटा. जसरोटा कहाँ पे है? कठवा में. बालतल वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी इज ऑल्सो नोन एज, बालतल वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी को और किस नाम से जाना जाता है? ऑप्शन बी. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन बी, थजवस और बालतल एक ही है. ओके. लच्छीपोरा वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी इज इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स ऑफ जम्मू एंड कश्मीर? लच्छीपोरा वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी कहाँ पे है? बारामूला में. नंदिनी वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी इज लोकेटेड एट किस डिस्ट्रिक्ट में? ऑप्शन सी, जम्मू. Which of the following statements accurately describes the biodiversity and flora of Jammu and Kashmir? The flora of Himalayan Kashmir accurately comprises of about 3054 species, including angiosperms, gymnosperms, and pteridophytes. Only 5% of Indian mammals are found in Jammu and Kashmir. Option C, Jammu and Kashmir has a uniform climate leading to low fauna diversity. And A, only A है correct. That means the flora of Himalayan Kashmir comprise about itni species, including that. Okay. Jammu and Kashmir covers an area of 101,387 square kilometers and lies between latitude 28 degrees 7 minutes and 35 degrees 5 minutes north. The high regions are covered by Pir Panjal, Karakoram, and Inner Himalaya ranges of mountains. Correct answer is only A. That means कि latitude इतना है and area इतना है. Okay.